Before I tell you where to get the book, I want to read you a short passage. This is from the opening pages. The coin was never meant to be a talisman. It was meant to be a pound of meat or a measure of gari or a boat of akara that Amarachi had been saving toward. He did not know then that the future was a predator, that it fed on the careful and the prepared. The prose is precise, almost economical. It does not shout, it observes. There is no melodrama in this book. There is something rarer, clarity. A writer who has gone very close to a very painful thing and chosen to describe it exactly as it is.